So WhatsApp link with phone number not working. If you want to link same use Android, then open your WhatsApp on your another device and go to the setting. This is my iPhone and this is my Android, so same setting for other mobile as well. And go to this setting, and then you can see the link device. Press on link device, and at the same time press on agree, and then you can see the top corner and press on link as companies, or if you are using the personal, then you can see the personal. And if you press on the link device, then press on a link with phone number instead. It's a phone, so press on link with Facebook, then you can see this code. Now you have to go your web, open any browser, I am NG, and search on WhatsApp web desktop site. Once you make a desktop site, then you can see this kind of interface. Then here you can see the login with phone number. Press on this login with phone number. Now enter your phone number, this phone number here. So you press on next, then you can see one-time code. Now enter this code. Once done, it's now login. Set a name. Now your device is linked with your okay, that's it. Now you can use same thing on your both phone. Thank you, have a good day.